Welcome to the MyTrail Company investment presentation. I'm Dimitri Kupinas, founder and CEO of MyTrail. MyTrail Company provides investors a unique opportunity. I founded GoLite, which achieved $17.5 million in peak annual sales. MyTrail acquired the proven product designs and 150,000 customer email list GoLite developed over 16 years. GoLite did many things well. Where GoLite needed to improve, MyTrail is doing better. MyTrail achieved its first month of profitability in December 2016, selling only a handful of core products: packs, shelters, down jackets, and accessories. In 2017, we're expanding our line to include ultralight and hyperlight performance apparel, packs and shelters, and trail essential accessories while keeping expenses low. Through 2016, we raised over $715,000 from over 270 customers. As we continue to raise, we'll accelerate the expansion of our product line. Investors receive a 20% discount on product purchases and preferred shares, earning 10% annual dividends, paid in cash or accrued and paid upon liquidation or redemption. Outdoor customers care about three things. Is it high performance? Is it responsibly made? Can I afford it? Most brands are built to satisfy one or two of these dimensions. MyTrail is built to provide customers high-performance outdoor apparel and equipment that is responsibly made and affordable. For us, high performance means compact, and it means the right balance between lightweight and durability. We believe that responsible manufacturing should be environmentally sustainable and a positive experience for the people who make our products. We deliver great products at great prices by selling directly to our customers, sidestepping high dealer markups. Our logo is an M and a T for MyTrail and a C for our home state of Colorado, shaped like the trail markers of our favorite long-distance trails, especially the Continental Divide Trail, our playground. Our people are seasoned outsiders with a strong desire to treat any potential customer to the best products and the best service they can. Our brand promise is to provide you with everything you need and nothing you don't. Many great brands focus on epic mountain adventures. MyTrail is focused on the trails in your life and on helping you enjoy them more and more often. We honor all trails, whether they are steep or flat, wilderness single track or suburban sidewalk, and whether they take you from Canada to Mexico or around your local park. GoLite did many things well. What GoLite did poorly, MyTrail is doing differently. Most of GoLite's stores were larger and more costly than they needed to be. MyTrail stores are modeled on GoLite's smallest, most profitable stores. GoLite stores were burdened with a broad and unprofitable casual apparel line. MyTrail is built to just provide the apparel and equipment essential to enjoying your time outdoors. GoLite didn't carry non-branded accessory items. MyTrail and our customers have already benefited from our offering of essential accessories from other brands, and will expand that offering methodically. GoLite's margins were low, mainly because of the unprofitable casual apparel group. Our margins are much higher because we are focused on technical apparel and equipment, and also because we are working closely with a strategic partner with global reach that has helped us realize significant cost savings while improving quality. GoLite's headquarters costs were high. MyTrail's are low. Our small staff operates our online store out of the back of our retail store. From 1999 to 2011, GoLite sold primarily to dealers, so its business systems and staff were selected for wholesale. These were handicaps when GoLite transitioned to a retail model in 2012. MyTrail is built for retail, and our products, systems, and people are all aligned for direct-to-customer success. GoLite never had a board of directors and never accepted outside investment. We see daily benefits from the combined wisdom of a strong board and over 270 customers who have invested in us. GoLite sold its brand to Timberland so they could produce GoLite footwear and boost GoLite sales internationally. The promised benefits never materialized, and the relationship degraded when VF Corporation, owner of the North Face, bought Timberland. MyTrail will always own its own brand. In 2015 and 16, MyTrail raised its early capital, made its first products, hired core staff, opened online and physical stores, and supplied its first 4 international distributors. We achieved our first monthly profit in December 2016. Our line will more than double this spring as we add 18 core styles of technical apparel, including storm shells and hiking and running tops and bottoms. We are planning on tripling the line through the rest of the year as we add more of our best packs, shelters, and down jackets and vests. From 2018 through 2020, we plan to make the rest of our best-selling technical clothing and equipment, as well as introducing some new innovations. Each year, we'll add a handful of small, high-quality stores in well-trafficked areas of the best outdoor towns throughout Colorado. Product introductions and store count will go hand in hand so we can sell through most of our product line optimally in season. After 2020, we plan to add locations outside Colorado, at first throughout the American Northwest and West, as our product line sells best where there are lots of outdoor enthusiasts experiencing all 4 seasons. We might accelerate growth through franchising, and we may add new product lines as well. In 7 months last year, MyTrail sold $250,000 online. With almost twice the time and more than 3 times the product, we plan on breaking $1 million in online sales this year. By 2020, we plan to be selling almost as much online as GoLite was at its peak. MyTrail's pop-up store sold $43,000 in November and December 2016. As we expand the product line in a permanent store, we look to double that rate of sale over the course of the year. Through 2020, a few more stores and a few more products each season should compound for strong growth. By 2020, we project still having fewer stores and selling less in them than GoLite did at its peak, but having each of those stores being solidly profitable. MyTrail's cost of goods sold has been under, and thus gross profit has been over 50% so far, and we expect that to continue. Sales and marketing and operating expenses will grow with sales, but should allow for healthy earnings. After interest and taxes, we expect to have positive and growing net income. By the end of our first 5 years, we expect to have healthy levels of retained earnings to fund growth after paying all dividends. MyTrail's 10% dividend compares favorably with stock market returns, treasuries, and bank rates. MyTrail is offering non-voting, non-convertible preferred stock for $5 per share. MyTrail is selling shares to Colorado residents through a direct public offering on dpo.mytrailco.com. Non-Colorado residents can purchase these same shares through wefunder.com/MyTrail. The minimum investment is 200 shares for $1,000 from unaccredited investors, 1,000 shares for $5,000 from accredited investors. Shares earn 10% annual dividends, either paid in cash or accrued from year to year. After 5 years, investors may require MyTrail to buy back their shares at the original purchase price plus any accrued but unpaid dividends. After 10 years, MyTrail may require investors to sell shares back to MyTrail. Investors receive 20% discounts on MyTrail purchases while holding the minimum investment. Transfer of shares is restricted short-term by applicable securities laws and MyTrail's right of first refusal. To invest, if you live in Colorado, please follow the straightforward steps at dpo.mytrailco.com. If you live outside Colorado, you can invest at wefunder.com/MyTrail. The foregoing is merely a summary of certain key terms of this offering. Prospective investors should carefully review all offering materials at dpo.mytrailco.com or wefunder.com/MyTrail for details regarding the rights, preferences, privileges, and restrictions of the shares. Thank you for your consideration. We look forward to the opportunity to serve you as an investor as well as a customer. We hope you'll make My Trail Company your trail company too.